I know that I've been suggesting a lot of ideas for you that are tech related, and you might not want to do tech. You might just want to do something else. And even though you have a tech background, I try to bring you things that have to do with it. But you don't need to be stuck with anything like that. So in this video, I wanted to explain there's kind of three ways that I look at business ideas. And one is commoditized, another is innovative, and another is a hybrid of the two. And again, you don't have to choose, you don't have to get stuck on any single one. So let's go over them. Commoditized ideas are things that just totally proven businesses. Let's say a cleaning business, a restaurant, a coffee shop, a roofing business. Those businesses, it's really clear how to run them. Maybe it's not immediately clear to you, but generally there's widely available knowledge of how to run these businesses. They've been successfully created in the past. It's understood how to hire correctly, how to price correctly. If you just get someone who started that business before, they can coach you through every part of that business and explain, hey, here's the right answer for every situation. Just almost not every situation, but most situations in that business, because it's just such a common business. And the good thing about this business typically is that they are proven, they're needed, and the bad thing, of course, is that they are boring. It's like, who wants to start like a roofing business or a handyman business or a cleaning business? It's like, it's not that exciting, like a lawn care business. Yeah, you'll make money, but it's not like you're going to have glory, right? You're not going to be the Steve Jobs of lawn care. So that's kind of what turns people off from these businesses, but they're totally fine and they can be really good. And if you become a good business person, there's no reason why you can't be, let's say you're a lawn care business, but there's no reason why you can't be a multi-million lawn care business, multi-million-dollar lawn care business, if you just dominate lawn care in your city, maybe in your county, maybe in your state. And that's certainly a multi-million-dollar a year business. You just have to execute it well enough. And certainly there's a lot of business savvy that will go into that. Now, the next kind of businesses ideas are innovative ideas. Innovative ideas are, the new startups, the new apps, the new Ubers out there, and they're attractive, they get a lot of attention, they're sexy, and often they're investable because they typically, have high growth, and they're typically online, and so they're scalable and all that stuff. The problem with innovative ideas is that they have this market risk. They're extra risky. Because when you're creating something new, you don't know if it's going to work. It's just a guess, and you can make your guess better by getting feedback and doing customer development, all those tactics we discussed. But again, you don't even need to do customer development or get feedback for proven ideas, because it's proven. Like, decades have proven that these ideas are necessary. So those businesses are necessary. So innovative ideas carry more risk, market risk. Don't know if customers will adopt this version of the business, this version of the idea. And then there's the hybrid business ideas. The hybrid ideas are kind of a take on the two, the commoditized and the innovative. So hybrid is like, let's say you take a commoditized business like tutoring business. And then instead of having a tutoring business that's in person, you can go and create a tutoring business online. So you bring tutors from all over the world and you connect them with students all over the world. And of course you get better tutors, better rates for the instructors, maybe, who knows. So there's some advantages there. And it's easier, way easier, because people can do it from home. So that's the hybrid of this. You took a commoditized idea and you made it innovative. And obviously, that idea isn't necessarily new. There's been online tutoring websites for many years now, but it's just an example. So something you can do for yourself, don't be afraid, first of all, of getting into a commoditized business. You can still make money there, no problem. It just has to be something that you're passionate about. And you can always think about what are the commoditized businesses and how can I innovate them? How can I, I guess, make them hybrids with new technology that's coming up, with internet, with everything else that's coming up, like everything that's sort of around the corner. How can you have a new take on the old business? And with every time there's a new technology that comes around, it gives potential for you to uncover a new use case, a new way to use something, so that you can sort of turn that industry on its head, like revolutionize an industry, have a new use case that's easier, better, make something better. So sometimes new technologies really alter existing markets, and that's something you want to look at as well. So those are the two takeaways here. Obviously, that no problem getting into commoditized businesses, and that there's always opportunities to make hybrids of commoditized businesses.